Welcome, 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 everybody. What's going on? I thought I was online already. Okay, welcome everybody. Come into the live broadcast. Welcome, welcome. Today we're going to be talking about this amazing company, C3AI. Anybody know about C3AI? Tell us, okay? Have you ever known this company? Do you know anything about this company? This company is into uh, AI as well, but they are more into artificial intelligence powered software. So they make softwares that are AI powered. Okay. So this is one of the most interesting companies that we have out there. So go check them out. So really, our presentation is this the next AI stocks to soar? And though when I looked at this company, I know this company has got a lot of competition. There are already a lot of companies that are into combining softwares and AI. So this company is not a chip manufacturer like your AMDs and your Nvidia. Okay, these are not into chip manufacturer, but they're into like having software and combining software with AI, with artificial intelligence. Okay, so these are just two different fields. So welcome to everybody watching right now. So how you guys doing? I hope you will enjoy the live show. Please guys stay in the live show and also be able to give us some likes. Um, and also follow us on our WhatsApp. Please follow that WhatsApp as well. Find us on Facebook as well. Please show us some love. Okay, so this is our company, guys, C3AI. So you know us here every day. We're just talking about company profile. We're doing stocks analysis profile. We're going to a bit of talking about the company's stock situation and giving you some guidelines if you want to buy, also talking to you guys about recently what's been going on with this company in terms of their stock valuation, their stock performance, and stuff like that. So just show us some love as well. How are you guys doing? Also use the chat, guys. Tell us where you are watching from. Does this make sense for you? You want to learn more? You are new to stocks and stock trading and all that stuff, guys. Please text us or add us on WhatsApp. We are a very safe platform. Use that QR code and come in. Okay, just drop your comments, your likes. Make sure that you also follow. Let's chit chat, guys. Do you know anything about C3AI? Okay, so there's been a lot of investing in the AI tech space. There's been a lot of investing in the AI tech space, and there's just so much. Just that's just happening. Okay, so now let's go. Um, Let me close some windows right here. Okay, let's move on right now. So that is how it's gonna go, like those 4 chapters. So company profile. So this is with this company. C3AI is into software, like I did say, dedicated to what? Dedicated to enterprise artificial intelligence applications. So they're into manufacturing applications together with AI. Okay. And this so C3AI is one of the players working to establish. So right now they're kind of working to establish themselves in the space. Okay, it's a custom software application use AI and data to make corporations more innovative and efficient. So they're already working with many other clients, many other people buy their software to use in their business. So they're trying to incorporate AI into their softwares so that when they sell those softwares to their clients, those guys can maximize on their production. Okay, so they're big in terms of making softwares. Okay, so dedicated to enterprise artificial intelligence applications, committed to providing AI-driven solutions for various industries. So they work with various industries. Okay, they're quite a new company, only developed in 2009, so they're kind of like 15-year old, and they belong to Siebel. If you can actually see my Mr. Siebel, if you want to see his picture, it's actually on my live. When you enter my live, I put his picture. It's already headquartered in California. You know, so much in California. A lot of tech news, a lot of tech happens in Silicon Valley, California. So that whole California area is very, very into tech and stuff like that. So through its proprietary C3 AI suite platform, helps businesses. This is what they do. They help businesses quickly develop and deploy complex AI applications to improve operational efficiency and drive business transformation. So you're going to notice that a lot of things now, a lot of we will need a lot of AI. Okay, even trading now, people now that are trading, there are a lot of AI softwares that can now predict trends, tell you how to buy, when to buy. So AI is just going to start to take over. Okay, so this company also has got a lot of businesses and services and products that help other businesses maximize and drive efficiency up. Overall, you want to make a profit when you're in business, so they're into when you use their software. So obviously, maybe your production is going to be increased and to just transform your business. Okay, what is the connection between C3 AI and artificial intelligence? So how does it work? Okay, allow me to. So this is all they're into. You can see all these industries. They're into manufacturing. They're also into manufacturing, oil and gas, utilities, financial services. They're working with companies in financial services, defense, and intelligence. All the yes. So because they're software manufacturers, so of course their software is going to get used across the board, right? So how are they connected? AI and what do you call it? And C3 AI. Okay. Apart from its vivid stock code, okay, they have a funny name though. C3 AI. The company provides a user-friendly artificial intelligence platform and pre-built solutions for multiple industries. So those are the multiple industries that you see underneath the picture there. Pre-built solutions. So they use their software, including defense and all these other guys. So all of these people in manufacturing, people in healthcare, companies in transportation, telecommunications, retail are the ones that are buying software from C3 AI, and they're using it every day. Okay, so there we go. So many, how many industries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they're a big player. They are not a small company in terms of their reach. They're almost into so many industries, sectors, and the like. So it's 120 artificial intelligence applications generate over 1.7 billion predictions per day for 24 Fortune 500 companies and their clients. Okay, so they have software that predicts trends, things, you know, it's all about prediction nowadays. And they work with 24 companies that are in the part of the Fortune 500 companies. Okay, so they have 24 companies that they work with, 24 clients that are part of the Fortune 500, the most prestigious companies in the world. So they are, yeah, so their clients, in addition to the industry specific pre-built artificial intelligence module. So obviously, it means that if they're working with people in defense, it means that they have to cater their platform, their software, their platform and its AI to best serve that industry. So it's not like this one software can be used by all these companies. No, they have to customize the software depending on which sector they're dealing with. So you're going to notice that if their client is in oil and gas, then they're going to have to come up with the software, manufacture a software that is specific for that, and that software is going to be different from, let's say, financial and banking services. Okay, the industry specific pre-built artificial intelligence modules, users can access C3 generative artificial intelligence on the cloud market. So all those are the industries. Okay, let's go. So C3 is go and look at Yahoo, Yahoo Finance. They have an article that they wrote, actually questioning that is C3 a worthy stock to buy? Should you buy C3? Okay, so because C3 is having an accelerated sales momentum right now, go check them out. Okay, C3 Okay, let's go. Let's go get it. Okay, so that is more like, so that is their logo, that is their name. Let's see what else they do. Okay, allow me to just do that. Main business. Let's talk about the main business. The main core business of C3 AI is to provide customized AI application software. Like we already discussed this software, they combine it with what? With AI, and then they customize it maybe for defense, financial, for transport sector. They work with like 10 sectors. Okay, its products include AI driven predictive maintenance, okay, software to predict energy management, supply chain optimization, customer relationship management, fraud detection. AI is able to detect fraud and prevention, and also prevent. If you're into defense, defense industry. You want to do things like even financial business. There are so many things like fraud and stuff like that. So you can already see that this is a functional app. This is a functional software that can detect that fraud is about to happen. And I'm sure we're going to be having AI, some of these products on our phones very soon. We're going to be having them here very soon because there's a lot of cyber crime that happens. So we might start to use AI, okay, to avoid things like fraud and stuff like that. So C3 AI, you can see down there, C3 AI applications, C3 AI platform, C3 generative AI. So C3 AI suite is a comprehensive platform that provides a complete set of tools for data integration, AI model development, and application deployment. Okay, so C3, good guys, they are actually doing very well. Okay, they are, if you go look at where they are today, their revenue, all the signs point to like they're gonna go ahead. Okay, so let's see. Vertical industry applications provide targeted AI solutions based on specific needs of different industries, such as energy, manufacturing, financial services, government. We already spoke about this. The AI model library provides pre-built AI model libraries, okay, making it convenient for enterprises to quickly select and customize models that meet their business needs. So if any of you guys are watching and your work, your job is some of these industries, please feel free. Okay, please feel free to tell us. If you do you know C3 AI? Does your company use C3 AI, or how is it? Okay, tell us. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, let's go. There's so many things on C3 AI right now. Okay, because when I actually, this job, you actually have to get other sources as well. You have to read other places as well. So yeah, let's see. Let's get into the what this company is all about. So that is their company analysis, market business position. There are actually a lot of players who are also in the same field. Actually, there's like 40, 50 other companies that are in this space where they are manufacturers of software that is used in so many different industries, and they're also trying to make their software with AIs to have solutions and improve productivity. So there are a lot of companies that are already doing this, but I think that C3 AI is ranked at maybe almost the top. So market business position, trends in revenue and customer engagement from the graph. Okay, you can see AI revenue and customer trend engagement. Okay, there you go. So revenue is the other axis. The revenue is in the blue, millions of dollars. And also we also have under there, you can see the years from 2020, okay, to currently, and then also customer engagement. So at one point, there is customer engagement but there is not much revenue. Okay, there is or maybe there isn't much revenue. There's just like a red line. Okay, it's just a red line. Now, AI's revenue and customer engagement have steadily increased from 2019 to 2024, demonstrating its competitiveness in the market and expansion of its customer base. So there is revenue though, but I mean, it's covered by the red line. But then you get to reach to 2021, they hit over 180 million in revenue. Okay, 2021, 100 and in revenue. Uh, and then also you notice that customer engagement over the years has just been slowly going up. And as we get to 2023, you can see customer engagement has been low. You can see the first 2 years, it just slightly increased from 150 to around um, 250 million. But then as you get to 2023, it jumps from 250 million to, in 2024, 450 million. So it took 1 year, okay, for them to have more engagement. Now it's just jumping in the space of a year. They've added 200 more million customers who engage with their business. And also you can see that the revenue has continuously, in proportion though, gone up. Okay, it's been going up relative to engagement. So you can see that the engagement picture is relative to the revenue. Okay, they're kind of almost relative to one another. Okay, as engagement goes up, you also see revenue also is going up as well. Okay, definitely, there you go. So there you go. So the more people know them or interact with this company, the more also many people know about them, and also that drives their revenue, because now people are aware of their product, people are aware of their services as well. A lot of people are spreading the word. They also spread across. And also it also has got to do with their marketing as well. Of course, they have a marketing plan, how they market their product. So trends in revenue and customer engagement from the graph can be seen that C3 AI revenue and customer engagement have steadily increased from 2019 to 2024. So that is growth, demonstrating its competitiveness in the market and expansion of its customer base. So yeah, 2023 to 2024 customer base went up by 200 million more engagement. Okay, so that is actually really good for them. Now let's move on to the next one. There we go. Let's see what we're saying here. So business analysis, customer industry distribution. So let's see who are their main industries. Okay, so their clients, most of their clients or their biggest clients are from which industry. So you can see they have a lot of government. They sell their software to a lot of government enterprises, manufacturing. Second is manufacturing. Okay, manufacturing is at 16. Okay, we also have then others. Others are just termed others. Others are grouped. So a large chunk of their clients, or who they sell their software, their services, and their products to, are in government, followed by others, and then which are not specified, but definitely manufacturing. They're manufacturing as well, because remember, their software has got the ability to predict and so much stuff and then you also have agriculture as well there, and also chemicals. Okay, professional services, energy and utilities, and then just others. Okay, so from the customer industry distribution chart, so this is a distribution chart, can be seen that C3 AI has a very diverse sector base. So they're not covering just one industry. They're diverse. Okay, covering multiple industries. You can see they're covering multiple industries. All these industries: government, manufacturing, agriculture, chemicals, professional services, utilities, and energy, and also others. So make sure that you follow and send us a text. Someone is watching, please send us a text on our WhatsApp. You want to join our WhatsApp? It's super easy. There you go. guys, just there. If you want to understand us more about us, guys, please drop a comment in the chat so that we know what we're talking about, so that we know what you guys need. This diversified customer base helps to diversify risks, enhance the company's market stability and growth potential. Okay, let's go. So let's look at their portfolio. Okay, product portfolio. We just want to see what their products are. A quick breakdown of their products. So the products and services provided by C3 AI mainly focus on the following aspects. Number one, C3 AI Suite. So that is one of their products or their service. So what does C3 AI Suite do? Comprehensive enterprise level AI. Okay, it is at an enterprise level, the AI, and IoT software platform. That, what does it? It supports data integration. If you want to integrate your data, so that is the platform. Data management, model development. If you are in the business of uh, manufacturing or designing something, that is what model development means. Model management and application deployment. Okay, so they have C3 AI Suite. Okay, let's go to C3 AI applications. Okay, multiple pre-built enterprise AI applications. I think this is where most of their money comes from. Multiple pre-built enterprise AI applications covering multiple business areas, including predictive maintenance, customer experience, anti-money laundering, and energy management, and more. So people who are in these industries, maybe they know much more about this. We also have C3 AI X Machine, a code-free AI application development tool designed to enable. Guys, I'm not into tech. I'm not into AI. When I compile these reports, sometimes I have to read, okay? Because I'm not into AI or tech. I'm just giving you a poor. The part that maybe I know more about is the stocks and the analysis part. All these others I have to read, okay? So they also have what C3 AI X Machine, a code-free AI application development tool designed to enable business users and data scientists to quickly build and deploy AI applications. C3 AI CRM. What is that one? An AI-driven customer relationship management CRM system developed in collaboration with Salesforce, focusing on providing predictive analysis and intelligent automation capabilities. So this is their portfolio: AI Suite, AI applications, AI X Machine, and AI CRM. Okay, so depending on whatever industry you belong to, you know, okay, I can let me go. I should use AI CRM or I should use AI Suite. Okay, so that's how they cover a lot of those sectors that we showed you previously. These products and services cover the needs in multiple industries such as energy, finance, manufacturing, government, EEC, and further enhance market coverage and influence such cooperation with multiple large enterprises and government agencies. Hello guys, make sure that you follow. Welcome to all new friends. Make sure that you follow us. Okay, let's see innovation. How innovative are they? Okay, what is their capability to innovate? They've shown outstanding performance in product and technological innovation, and its innovation ability is mainly reflected in the following aspects. Okay, so let's see how they've improved their innovation. Advanced AI and machine learning technologies. Okay, machine learning, there's another term. Machine learning and AI, they kind of go side by side. Advanced AI and machine learning technologies. One of the core competencies of C3 AI is its powerful AI and machine learning technology, supporting large-scale data processing and real-time analysis. Okay. Okay. Give me a second. So there's quite a number of machine learning strategies. Okay. So machine learning is a subject of AI. It's a subject in artificial intelligence. It uses a lot of math and algorithm and data to imitate the way humans do or carry out activities, right? Learn from experience, okay? The way we learn from experience. The objective of machine learning is to make informed decisions or predictions based on past interactions with similar data types, okay? Similar data types. The goal of machine learning is to make better predictions and decisions as more data becomes available. Okay, it's kind of like studying your brain and trying to predict based on conditions, like like if you as a person, if you get in a certain state of mind, this is what you're going to do. So they can use that data, compile it, study it over a long period of time. For example, if you feel cold, what do you do? What do you normally do? So maybe you have a routine that you have, like when you feel cold or when you feel unhappy. Usually, maybe there are foods that you eat. Okay, there are programs that you want to watch. Okay, there is a way that there there's a certain lifestyle you do, depending, and maybe if you repeatedly do that, then they can pick and they can predict, and they can actually put it in a machine. Okay, so that when a similar occurrence happens, based on the data that they have, they know, okay, usually this person, or they do like this, like this, like this. So it's all about predictions, this AI stuff. Yeah. So advanced AI and machine learning technologies, one of the core competencies of C3 AI is its powerful AI and machine learning technology, supporting large-scale data processing and real-time analysis. Widespread industry applications. C3 AI's applications cover multiple key industries and constantly introduce new solutions to meet the needs of different markets. Partner ecosystems. Through collaborations with industry leaders such as Microsoft, Baker Hughes, and Thor Technologies, C3 AI continuously expands its technology and market influence. Okay, code-free platform. C3 AI X Machine is an important innovation that lowers the technical threshold for developing AI applications within enterprises and promotes the popularization and application of AI technology. Okay, C3 AI. Okay, let me bring it down here. Down here, I can make it bigger. Okay, C3 AI is an enterprise software developer providing artificial intelligence products for 8 different industries. We already spoke about this. 30 types of generative artificial intelligence products launched by C3 AI company in 2024 fiscal year has received great attention. In the fourth quarter alone, over 5,000 consultations were received from 3,000 companies. Enterprise software provider C3 AI Inc. is beginning to see the results of its efforts. Okay, so this is like the enterprise approach of generative AI. Okay, this is an article that was produced as well. Where are we? Enterprise software provider, okay, of its efforts as one of the first stocks to rise in the year of artificial intelligence in 2023. That is good. C3 AI is highly anticipated for high speed growth. However, due to its low double-digit revenue growth rate being slightly inferior to the triple-digit growth rate of artificial intelligence, giants such as NVIDIA and SMCI, its profit growth pace is slow. Even worse, the company has shifted to a usage-based pricing model, which will result in weak year-on-year sales comparisons in the short term and also prolong revenue time. Okay, revenue time. Okay. Give me a moment, guys. Let me just do something here. Make sure you follow the account, the YouTube account. Also, make sure that you follow the what's up at the corner right there. Okay, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Okay. Okay, thank you for that. Thank you for sending some love and some likes. Please drop some comments in there as well. I was just getting ready with my, I'm going to be editing videos soon. So I wanted to see if the app that I use for downloading is actually downloaded well. So some of the videos that you see that we produce, we have to actually edit it. I have to put subtitles on, like, my shorts. I need to put subtitles on my shorts. I don't want to use YouTube subtitles, but YouTube subtitles are very tiny, they're very small. Okay. I want to start using like those bold, large subtitles, and it's easier to edit from the phone. Enterprise software provider. Okay, so they just been even worse. The company has shifted to usage-based pricing model, which will result in weak year-on-year sales comparisons in short term and also prolonged revenue time. C3 AI competes with other artificial intelligence software developers. Like I told you guys, they have a lot of competitors such as UiPath Inc., listed on the New York Stock Exchange, and large cloud service providers such as Amazon Web Services of Amazon, Google Cloud, Google Inc. So there's a lot of big players there, and Azure of Microsoft. Okay. Maybe they stand a better chance if they merge with one of these big companies, okay? Because all these tech companies, doesn't matter, Microsoft, Google, Apple, as long as they're in tech, they want to maximize on that what's the word, that space. Okay, so they use their existing popularity and their existing experience in the space to just get into other sectors of AI. So it's pretty easy for them. Let's see what C3 AI will do. Okay, let's move on. Growth prospects. What are what their prospects for growth? Do any prospects of growth exist? Let's see. As an enterprise artificial intelligence company, C3 AI is benefiting from the growing demand of AI technology. So they're into AI. Uh, they might not compete like the big dogs, not the big players, but since they're into AI and they make software already, there has to be a demand for their technology. It is expected that the global AI market will experience significant growth in the coming years, obviously. According to a report by Grand View Research, this is a research company, the global AI market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of over 40%, okay? And may reach billions of dollars in size in the coming years. So if you're somebody, if you hear something like this, it's a good opportunity for you. If you're thinking about another career path, okay, try to go and find if AI has got something to do with AI you can learn, because AI is going to be big. It's already getting bigger, okay? You're looking for a new career path, try to look for something into AI, okay? C3 AI's revenue has been increasing year by year in recent years, with an expected revenue of 265.67 million US dollars in 2023, a year-on-year increase of 5.1%. In addition, the company is implementing a transition from a short-term revenue model to a transaction-based pricing model to enhance the potential for long-term revenue growth. After launching the C3 generative AI product, C3 AI has attracted a large number of existing and potential customers, indicating that its product has a strong market demand. Okay, there you go. So let's go, guys. Have you followed? Make sure that you follow us right now. Make sure that you follow me on YouTube. I need to see you following me on the YouTube. Let me actually open my YouTube on my phone to see my own live stream. Okay. I can actually see my live stream. You know that, right? Yeah. Okay, let me see my own live stream there. I can see myself there. See me? Yeah, guys. So show your support. Okay, show your support. Send your likes. Okay. Okay. Type something. Good. Type something like good live stream. Good live stream. If you're enjoying live stream, bro. You see that? Yes, you see. Yeah. Oh, you see there, guys. So let's type. You see, I just typed good live stream, bro. You can also type anything, any form of communication. Please, guys, do not be shy. Okay, just go in there and type something. Okay, don't be shy. Go in there and type something. So after launching the C3 generative AI product, C3 has attracted a large number of existing and potential customers, indicating that its product has take strong market demand. Okay, so type something in there like what I did right now. Okay, I also want to see your comments. Okay, I also want to see your contributions, guys. Please go type something in there. So these are their competitors. Oh my God! So it's a very, very competitive um, environment. You see so many companies. Oh my God! So let's talk about the competitive environment. It's AI. AI is going to be competitive. It's actually going to become more and more competitive. Okay, competitive environment. The enterprise AI software market where C3 AI operates is highly competitive with major competitors, including technology giants such as Microsoft, Google, IBM, all of which have deep technological accumulation and extensive market coverage in the AI field. Nevertheless, C3 AI has established a certain competitive advantage through its unique AI platform and strategy focused on enterprise applications. So they have a niche, they have a strategy. C3 AI has a relatively small market share. That is obvious because if you did see the revenue that we spoke on the previous page, okay, only $267.67 million in last year. Okay, not even, yeah. So based on their revenue, you know that they're not really a big company. Maybe most of so their market is small. Okay, their market is small, their revenue is small. The market gets big, revenue will quadruple or double. Okay, will double or triple or quadruple. So you can see so C3AI has a relatively small market share, but its customer engagement is high. We did see that indicating a certain level of customer loyalty. Okay, so they have loyal customers. That's good for them. However, compared to industries giants such as Microsoft, Google, C3AI needs to continue to work hard to increase its market share and customer base in order to consolidate its market position. I hope they do not sell, okay? Because usually some people, if they feel too much dominated by other companies, they're just gonna sell their product to the big boys. So you see all of those companies, C3 AI competitors. How many are there, guys? So many, almost 50. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 8, 9, 20, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, almost 40 players. Okay, oh my God. So overall, C3 AI has broad growth prospects in the AI market despite facing strong competitors. Its innovative ability and market strategy give it a certain competitive advantage. The future development of the company will depend on its continuous efforts in increasing market share and expanding customer base. Okay, 40 competitors. Good luck to them. Go look them up. And also, you can go look up their competitors as well. I'm sure we're going to also produce content based on some of their competitors. Okay, so it's really fierce because it's AI. So it's really, really a fierce space. So this is our tech and financial analysis for this one right here, guys. It's a weekly chart. You can see that their price per stock just $29. Okay, $29, the price per stock. I'm thinking at one time it did actually go up. Okay, so recently it's just been there. So yeah, we're going to talk about from a weekly perspective. So what does all this mean, guys? What from a weekly perspective, there are two downward segments, 1 and 2. Let's get into that. Okay. Okay, so we have two downward segments. What does that mean? Okay, there are two declining segments. You can see 1 and 2 are declining segments. They are downward segments. Okay, one being longer. You can really look at one here is longer. One is longer. You can see it's longer, and 2 is shorter. Okay, so what does that mean? Okay, one is longer, having a larger decline, so it had the larger decline, so it is longer. Okay, but smooth slope. Okay, it's longer but smooth slope compared to segment 2, which is steep. Okay, so what does this mean? This suggests that the stock experienced a more severe but gradual decline initially. So initially, the stock experienced a what? A severe but gradual. Okay, it just didn't drop like that. It was severe. The drop was severe, but it was gradual. It wasn't sharp. It happened over a long period of time, followed by a sharper, quicker drop. Okay, so it's like falling down, right? You're falling down, but it happens over a long term, over a long time. It's not just like dropping like that. Okay, you're dropping, but you're slowly coming down. But then the second line is it's quicker. It happened quicker. Super. Okay, so let's go for our MACD divergence. So you can see that there, and the slope is also much smoother than segment 1. In addition, the bottom of MACD is constantly rising. Okay, the above point indicates that at the large level of the weekly, the stock price and MACD have clearly deviated from the bottom. So we're going to talk about MACD divergence. So the MACD indicator in this weekly stock chart shows a rising bottom pattern. So you can look at the bottom there of the MACD. You can clearly see that there is a rising that is happening at the bottom there, indicating that the momentum of the decline is weakening. Okay, so the momentum of the decline is weakening. It's declining. The momentum is of the decline is weakening. So there is going to be positive news. Okay, this bullish divergence. Okay, this bullish divergence between the stock price and the MACD suggests a potential reversal. Okay, it's declining, but it's weakening. So there might be a reversal of fortunes. Okay, and we also got the supporting platform. You can see we have the supporting platform over there. Check out the supporting platform there. It's just under $29. You can see it there. So what does that say about the supporting platform? Okay, the stock price has pulled back to a platform level, consistently staying above it. Okay, so the stock price is above the what? The stock price is above the platform level. So that this indicates strong support at this level. Okay, this suggests that buyers are stepping in to support the price, preventing it from falling further. So yeah, you see that support, it just shows that a lot of people have been buying. Okay, so that's kind of it's that's what um, that support means. Okay, there's been a lot of people coming in to buy this stock, so it actually has sustained and it's just gone above there. Okay, so a lot of people have been stepping in and buying this stock. Okay, so it's not falling because got more people coming. So the support has been established there and the price is just over the support. Why? Because lots of people have been coming to buy the stock. It's an AI stock, so obviously, you know, it draws a lot of ire, and a lot of people are attracted to it. Okay, so what is the summary that we can get from this, guys, based on the weekly perspective for this page alone? Okay, in summary, the combination of a rising MACD bottom, strong support at the platform level, and the nature of the declining segment suggests that the stock may be poised for a reversal. Okay, it might rise again, and maybe it might stabilize. Okay, it might stabilize in the near term. However, it's essential to consider additional factors. What are the additional factors? And perform further analysis. So this is a stock that you always got to monitor. Okay, always got to monitor it. Okay, yes, it might stabilize, or that platform might become longer. It might go up. The platform might, if let's say the stock jumps to like $35, and then you have a lot of people, or $40, and then you have a lot of people buying at around 35. and a lot of people just continue buying at 35, that will actually give it another a second support, okay, and the price may just stay at 40 because there's a lot of people that have bought the stock. But this is something that you need to continue monitoring. Okay, so when we say monitor stock, it means that it's not stable, it's a bit unpredictable, it's trending in the right direction, but let's not get too excited. Okay, we need to continue to monitor it, to further analyze it, check out the volume trends and other technical indicators as well, and fundamental analysis. Okay, so that is that for this one. So a lot of positivity, but also you're supposed to look at this stock without being too emotional. Okay, so I also got this one here as well. You see like a steep, number one is very sharp, number two is very steep. Okay, for this technical analysis that we have over here. Actually, my face is blocking the other side so that you guys do not see. Okay, so initially that was support support line A. Okay, and then now we're at support line B. Support line B, the previous page was support line B. So previously it was there. So we're now going to talk about buying points and all of that stuff. Let me move my head here in the center so that you guys can actually see everything. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, so that platform A. So the stock price is a lower platform. So platform A just means the stock price is a lower platform. Platform A, which provides a strong support level. So it's platform A. We have a strong support level because of a lower price. Okay, there we go. Segment 2 rebound that is expected. The downward segment 2, check out guys, segment 2 is there. Okay, where my head is, where my picture is, that is segment 2. So yeah, the downward segment 2 has halted its decline. It stopped, segment 2 has stopped its decline and rebounded and gone above platform A, indicating a potential reversal point or at least a temporary bottom. Okay, so you got them onto that. How about platforms B and C? What do we have for platforms B and C? You can see we got platform A, platform B, and platform C. Okay, so the stock is currently, right now, the stock is currently within platform B, which is more long-term trend, and platform C is more like the medium-term trend. So this suggests that while there may be short-term fluctuations, the stock is adhering to its long-term support and resistance level. So the stock is always going to be more geared towards platform B than platform C. Platform C just means there might be fluctuations, but according to the observation, the stock is leaning more towards platform what? Platform B. Okay, because that is more of the long term. The stock will always behave based on the long term than the short term. Okay, so short term just means fluctuations. So platform C is just talking about fluctuations, but the stock will go back, will trend more to platform B because that is the long term segment. Okay, $31. We also have resistance at $31. Okay, strong pressure from the 170-day moving average around $31. Okay, so resistance at $31. So there's obviously, you can see there's significant resistance levels at $31, which corresponds with the 170-day moving average line right there. So what does this mean? This definitely means that that breaking through this level could be challenging. Okay, it could be difficult to break through this level. It's not entirely impossible, but it may be difficult, and also would likely require strong buying momentum. Okay, so if more people buy, then there is a likelihood of what? Of a breakthrough. But breaking through right now, if the buying momentum is not there, then it's going to be a difficult thing. And also now break out above platform C. Okay, basically above platform C. Okay, so the stock is broken out above upper level platform C. You can see it's broken up about platform C, indicating potential bullish momentum and a possible continuation of the upward movement. It can sustain above this level. Okay, so what's our summary here? So you can see the buying prices are there, buying points where you can buy as well. So let's talk about the summary from. So the combination of support, a platform a rebound above this platform, presents within platform B and C, and a breakout above platform C suggests a positive outlook. However, the significant resistance at 31 implies that the stock may face challenging in advancing further unless a strong buying support, because already you see the stock is closing at around 21. The price is closing at $29, or going above 31 is a bit difficult for this stock to get to that, to break over that platform and then begin to enjoy a higher stock price. So it's kind of limited at 31 right now. And it's been like that for 170 days. I mean, that's been the average. So for 170 days is a long time. So it's averaging there. It cannot fully, unless if people now come and there's more people who buy, it might drive the price to go over $31, maybe go also to $35, $40. That would be good for this stock. So the resistance level could be a critical point to watch for potential pullbacks or consolidation before any further upward movement. Okay, so go check this out. Let's see what else we got for you guys. Okay, there you go. AI loss margin financial analysis. So AI loss margin narrowed in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2024. So 33 AI shows a loss of 11 cents per share. Okay, so yeah, their earnings per share is just crazy. So they actually have lost per share, 11 cents per share in the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2024, which is 19 cents higher than analyst expectations of 30 cents. Okay. Revenue increased by 20% year on year, reaching 86.59 million, higher than analysts' consensus. So they did good. This is the fifth consecutive quarterly revenue growth driven by quarterly subscription growth. Full year forecast of fiscal year 2025 C3AI revenue expansion path. So what lies? What are analysts saying? How can they move forward from here? Okay, so they have released performance guidelines for the first quarter of fiscal year 2025 with an expected revenue of between 85 million and 89 million, which is consistent with the expected 85.89 million. The expected annual revenue for the fiscal year 2025 is expected. Look, guys, this is an expectation. They expect their revenue will get at a certain point. They expect their revenue will be between 370 million to 395 million. Okay, higher than the analyst consensus expectation of 367.7 million. C3AI has launched 30 generative artificial intelligence products, driving market attention. C3AI CEO Thomas Sabel pointed out that the company's quarterly sales accelerated from 11% in the first quarter of fiscal year 2024 to 18% in the third quarter, and then to 20% in the fourth quarter. This is also the 14th consecutive quarter since becoming a listed company where the company has reached or exceeded its revenue guidance. Okay, so they're doing good. Okay, they exceed what the analysts say, but still it's not enough, especially based on those loss per share. Subscription revenue accounted for 92% of total revenue, a year-on-year increase of 41%. The company launched 30 types of generative artificial intelligence product in fiscal year 2024. Okay. So the outlook is good for them. More on their revenue, consumer pricing models promote. So most of their revenue for 2024 fiscal year is coming from subscriptions. Okay. So the adoption of its consumer pricing model is accelerating growth. This model provides greater visibility, which resulted in a decrease in the total contract value from 16 million in the 2019 fiscal year to 900,000 in the current quarter. This sharp decline is expected as the company returns to using consumer pricing models to accelerate revenue growth. The CEO of C3 AI stated that the demand for artificial intelligence in enterprises is intensifying, and the company is taking the lead in the market and can profit from it. Applications have been adopted in 19 industries, highlighting an increase in market diversity. Our federal revenue has grown by over 100,000 this year. The interest shown by our generative artificial intelligence applications, it's shocking. So we got a lot of that revenue data. Let's move on. Okay, let's talk about the margins there. Okay, margins may have bottomed for the company. In its latest earnings, what is this? In its latest earnings, C3 AI reported a non-GAAP margin of 69%. Falling margins were hurting the company, but we must start the outlook from the start of the latest AI adoption cycle. So this is just a picture. 70% of that figure came from R&D costs. What is also typical of growth stocks is a rise in sales and marketing costs to bring on new customers. That has risen from 43.9 million to 63.2 million dollars over the same period. Research and development costs are also a factor when chasing growth, and they have averaged from 49.48 million to 50.86 million. Rising revenue will also start to see R&D costs become smaller factor. Just like the company we spoke about yesterday, they also AMD, they are using most of their revenue to finance research and development. Okay, so once once revenue rises, of course your R&D costs are going to go down. Okay, in the latest quarter, the company posted a net loss of 72.9 million, but 70% of that figure. So yes, it's a loss, but where? Because most of the money revenue is going to research and development costs. Okay, so research and development is taking 70% of their revenue. So it will appear like it's a loss, but they are just re-injecting finance back into the business. So total long-term liabilities are around 165 million, but the company has 750 million in cash reserves. Okay, so it's not a bad picture, right? So what is the summary that we have for C3 AI as a stock? C3 AI is down 38% from all-time high and is potentially undervalued. Okay, 38%. Strong growth in client-based subscriber revenue and a healthy balance sheet raise the potential for upside gains in the stock. Margins may have bottomed, and there is a potential strong adoption cycle in areas such as predictive maintenance. So it's a tricky stock. This one, actually, it's not listed with some of this week's or this month's 10 best performing stocks. So, but it's a stock that is worth monitoring. Okay, it's a stock that is worth monitoring. So yeah, make sure you follow us, make sure you share, make sure you stay, make sure you monitor this stock, guys. Okay, real talk from me to you. Go and monitor this stock and see, or its competitors as well. You can go check out its competitors in the space and see what their stock price is and how they are performing. From us to you guys, thank you for joining the live stream. We're going out. I will be producing some videos today. I want to really work on my subtitles. It takes a long time. Okay, so yep, see you in the next live stream. Make sure you you follow us. Okay, follow us there on WhatsApp or follow the account. Okay, just scan and text us something if you're watching. Please reach out so that we can explain further to you. Or if you want this presentation, you can just reach out to us and we can send it to you via WhatsApp. We can send it to you the whole PPT or stuff like that. Okay, guys, till next time. We'll see you, okay? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Out.